Hello everyone. So today we will solve one more question based on fractional values. Now as you can see, division sign is there. Okay, two fractional values are written and in between division sign is there. So what we will going to do, we will write the values. Okay, firstly we will simply write the question 2 by 3 division 4 upon 5. Okay, now next what we will going to do, again we will write 2 by 3. Okay, now if we are changing division sign to multiplication sign, what we will going to do, you can see this number is 4 by 5 and you can see division sign is there, and now you can see I have written multiplication sign, so I have changed division sign to multiplication sign. If I am doing this, if we are changing division sign to multiplication sign, then 4 upon 5 will become 5 upon 4. We will write multiplication sign and it will become 5 upon 4. Now one more thing that I wanted to discuss is, it was 4 by 5. Now I have written 5 upon 4. So what I have done with this number, 4 upon 5, and I have written 5 upon 4. This is the reciprocal of the given number. Okay, so if we are changing division sign to multiplication sign, whatever number is written after the division sign, whatever number is written, we have to change that number. So numerator will become denominator and denominator will become numerator. That we call as the reciprocal of that number. 4 upon 5 is becoming 5 upon 4. 4 which was numerator, now it will become denominator, and 5 which was denominator, now it will become numerator. We will solve all these questions like this only. Okay, now you can simply multiply 2 by 3 into 5 by 4, like numerator 2 and 5 we will multiply. 2 multiplied by 5, that is 10, and denominator 3 we will multiply with 4, gives you 12. So the answer will be 10 upon 12. Now we all know 2 times table because both the number are divisible by 2 times table. In 2 times table, 10 comes like 2 5s are 10 and 12 come 2 6 are 12. So this is the required answer. Like this we will solve all the question where in between division sign is there. We will change division sign to multiplication sign and we will write the reciprocal of the number, like 4 upon 5 will become 5 upon 4. Okay, like this you will solve. Okay, I hope you all have understood this question. Thank you.